Well, hello there. It's Beards and Bangers, and today it's not a bits and pieces video, but there's quite a lot going on at the unit. So let's dive on in and see what's going on. So you'll notice, first thing you'll notice is the unit's quite empty because Bitty is in another unit now. That's Sam's Bittersweet ZR. Kestrel's tucked in the back, so we're not working on that for a little while. I need to get some bits and bobs, but look, it's like when we first got it. A lot of space. All these seats are here. They've been listed, or all but one set of those has been listed. So we'll try and get rid of those. The biomorphic is at the front of the unit because in 3 weeks' time, so today's the 1st of March, so yeah, in just under 3 weeks' time, Biomorphic is going to the NEC for the Resto show, and she is going to be on the Z register stand, which is part of the MG Car Club. So the only thing I've got to do is get it MOT'd. So probably get down to AJF today, so it's there for Monday. Save faffing around on Monday. Plus I'm in London, so for work, so I can't do that. So what am I going to do to the Biomorphic today? I'm going to do the seats. That's the main point of this video, is doing the seats on this, because this driver's seat, as you can see, is a bit, a bit knackered, and I'm not so sure that it's probably not an MOT fail, because it's only the headrest that's kind of mangled. But I'm going to pop the seats out, and then what I'm going to do is, because this van is coming on being broken a little way, so you'll notice the van is up on axle stands, and that's because Austin took the fuel tank out yesterday, because there was about 3/4 of a tank of diesel in there, and that was just sitting going to waste. So that's now in another car that I'll show you another day. Because you don't need to see that car just yet. But what's going to happen to this? Well, going to get the van panels out and do a little van kit. I'll list that today, so if anyone's watching this will be on Facebook Marketplace. Get in touch. So an L series fuel tank, so it's specific to an L series, so 25 ZR diesel, because you've got the sender there, you haven't got an in-tank fuel pump. But what I'm going to do is actually get the seats out of this, because they're not perfect seats, but they're not bad. So I'm going to pop the seats out of the van, Nelson, and stick them in the ZR, so that can go down for MOT. What else is going on up here today? That's the van being washed. So going to do the radio, hopefully do the radio on this. Well, that's been giving me some fun and games this morning. I've got a couple of jobs to do to the BMW as well, but I probably won't do those today. But the big news, the very big news, is, see, Dylan, the Typhoon ZS180 is here, on charge, battery on charge, because something unexpected may happen. So you'll remember I got this car back in, October, November time. Yes, I haven't done anything with him so far. So the next sort of job on this car was going to be doing the Sheddist clutch kit. Still might do that. Need to get it down to MOT the same time as Bio as well, because it's out of MOT on the 15th of Jan. But someone I know, one of my mates, is needing a bigger car, currently driving a ZR, so he's coming here at lunchtime, and we're going to look at potentially doing a swap. So yes, there we are. That's where we're at. It's not a car I was expecting to buy, so to get rid of this one is it's not a chore. I'm just going to see while I'm here, see how the battery is getting on. Oh, it's gone to full already. That's interesting. So I have had it running this morning, so it probably just need a little bit of a charge. It was flat when Austin very kindly moved some cars around yesterday. So yeah, so the actual, sorry, I said the seats are the main point of the video. I'm not going to show you doing the seats because it's quite boring. But the main point of this video is potentially getting rid of this car, subject to the person who's coming over liking it, subject to getting an MOT next week. Obviously the door handle is kaput, we know that, but I'm told you can bond them back on, which would be better, because you've got to get a Honda Civic door handle and then paint it in Typhoon, which isn't easy because you've obviously got to blend it to the surround. But doesn't it look lovely? And so all these monograms out on this lovely, another lovely sunny Saturday. We've been lucky. There's some BMW parts in there, but more on that in another video. But just look, the Biomorphic's a pretty solid colour, but the Typhoon and the Poseidon just look absolutely bloody lovely in this light.
I've seen the stories here earlier.
Absolutely lovely. Right, I'm going to whip the seats out of the van, and then we'll get them in the biomorphic. And yeah, we've got a set of seats to go to scrap because they're no good for anyone. Right, so bio, that's all just waiting for Joe and Bob to turn up. This is having a little charge up as well, just see how that's doing. That's going, that's good. So yeah, of course, all these cars have been sitting, had the battery disconnected, but sitting in a cold barn over winter, your batteries do kind of go into not very good condition. Hoping this one's okay, because it's quite a new battery. I think Dave, who I got this car from, put it on. Yeah, seats are in, really easy. You've got a little airbag connector under the seat. Much easier on these than the ZRs, and you've got literally 4 T50 bolts on each corner. Very different to the ZT. Obviously the ZT one's all fixed downwards, but you've got one goes that way, that one over there fixes in that way, and then these two at the front just go straight into this rail here. So yeah, they're not the greatest seats. Obviously I've now got a mismatch because the fronts are Alcantaras, and the backs are Monacos, I think. So yeah, probably just look for an Alcantara bench and seat back for the back rather than trying to get full leathers. I don't think full leathers is necessary in a ZR. I really don't. Plus they're bloody hard to find. I did miss out on a set a little while ago. So yeah, we'll just let it charge up. Can't drive it because it's not MOT. Sorry, I can drive it because the MOT is up on Monday, so it can actually be driven. But I can't tax it because I haven't brought the logbook up with me. But yeah, that looks a little bit better. There we are. So that's bio done. So yeah, Dylan, let's have a little wander over to that before someone comes and maybe takes him. Although it won't be today because he's got a bit MOT'd. Yeah, so this... Yeah, it's a car that I wasn't expecting to buy. And it was a bit of a mission going to get him. But he is nice, isn't he? So, but it's not a car I'm invested in. So if someone wants to take it and it helps them out, I'm more than happy to do that. One little job that I did find these doing, this terminal needs sorting out because that nut isn't turning either way. And I want to get that sorted out really, so I'll try and put a bit of a bulldog on it. So we'll try and no, WD actually, not bulldog. Try and get that freed off before the end of the day, and then I say if Joe wants to take it without MOT, that's entirely up to them. But otherwise, I'll get it into AJF next week. But yeah, monogram Typhoon ZS 180. Yeah, I do like ZS 180s, but if I do get rid of this, I will probably get another one at some point. But it'll probably be a facelift because the ones I really like are actually the facelift ones, the Mark IIs with the kind of gills down the side. It's not a bad car. The wheels are in good condition. Yeah, for a spares and repairs car, I think I did quite well because it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah, it does sound nice when it starts up, but it just needs a bit of a drive just to get the rust off the brake discs and stuff like that. So yeah, seats out. So this is beginning to come. This one's beginning to come to part. So I've just taken the seats out. The seats are in biomorphic as scrap. Well, the passenger seats are right. I've just been using that to sit in the sun for a bit. But yeah, so seats out. So yeah, next job is just to really strip it, and because people aren't kind of coming to get the parts off the car that readily. No parts shifting. The market is really flat, full all round. Cars aren't selling, and parts aren't selling. So I think people are screwed, aren't they? Because you've got gas bills rising, electric bills rising, water bills rising, council tax to go up. That's going to be in a couple of months. Council tax, a month actually. Now we're in March. So it's I'm not surprised people aren't spending the money. But yeah, unfortunately, this van will hopefully make other Rovers and MGs better. The exhaust's off now, of course, because Austin dropped the fuel tank last night. But yeah, I've just listed the fuel tank this morning. So that's a cheap little part for someone if they want it. And yeah, it's just a question of pottering. And then, yeah, there'll be a separate video on this that I'll make this afternoon. Get the driver's seat all buttoned up and then try and wrestle with the radio. We'll see that in another episode. So I'm going to sit in Biomorphic's old passenger seat in the sun until my visitors get here. Woohoo! So my friends Bob and Joe and Steph and Lucy, I thought, have popped over. So Joe and I have just swapped. We won't do it quite yet because I've got to get this MOT first, but I've just swapped Dylan for this rather nice pearl black ZR160, which drives very nicely. I think it's got a polished and ported head, and possibly a 170 ECU, because it's just gone up the hill near the unit here, very nicely indeed. And this, we need to check the battery on this, I think, because ZS doesn't want to start. But yes, so this car will be on the channel in the next couple of weeks. So it brought back some very happy memories, because it reminded me, the driving experience reminded me very much of my old X-Power Grey ZR160. It's really clean. So everyone's got what they want. So I've got a ZR160 I love, and Joe's got a slightly bigger car for him and his partner, which he needs. So we're just going to drop this down to AJF now and get it MOT'd at some point. We mustn't forget the Sheddis clutch kit needs to go on it as well. So deal done on the ZS. Wasn't thinking about selling the car, but I saw Joe's kind of what he was after. And it's one of those things, and plus if it's people I know, I like to help people out, and it does him a favour, and it gives me a car that I can do some very basic kind of stuff to, probably change the wheels on it, give it a damn good polishing, clean up, and enjoy it. Because I tell you, that ZR drives really nicely. Although I've just taken the ZS down to AJF for its MOT, and yeah, Austin was rather enjoying himself. But it is what it is. We've done a deal, and he's happy, I'm happy, and that's the main thing. And it's community in action once again. So that's the really important thing. So I'll still see the car around, because they're coming to the Chiltern Hills Rally, and there's other shows as well that we'll see each other at. So it's all good. It's all good. And to be honest, I've got too many cars again, and I can't drive them all. I can't drive two cars at one time. Still got Biomorphic. Bram's going to be back this week, hopefully, and I'm looking forward to that. So there'll be a new series on Bram. We'll finish this one off maybe tomorrow, do some work on that. I'm having some issue. I will do a separate video on it, because I'm stealing my own thunder here, but trying to get power to this thing is a nightmare. But we'll do a full video on fitting an Extron's radio to a 75 watt ZT. I think what's complicating things is either the harness that I've got, which I'll show you in a proper video, but or it's because this is a Highline car and you've got other kind of modules throughout the car that power the Highline. But Poseidon's coming on. Yeah, everything's good. Quite happy. So thank you for watching this rather short episode of Beards and Bangers that's kind of a bit bitty and piecey and a bit talky, but it's always nice to keep kind of vlog what's going on at the unit and on my channel as well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you don't already do so. Drop a comment down below, do share with your friends, and maybe consider becoming a channel member as well. It's greatly appreciated, and you do get early access to some videos plus some member exclusives occasionally. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.